to another explainer video of the video editing mastery class. So in this module, I'm going to be showing you how to download stock pictures and videos from your Google Chrome. So you will go to your Google Chrome now and you type in any of the website name I sent to you, either Pixels or Pixabay or Fitzy, anyone you want to use. They have stock pictures and videos there. So for the purpose of this example, I'm going to be showing you, I will be using the pixels.com. So you will type in pixels.com. Okay, then you click OK, and this is what is going to be show you. As you can see, you can see what I clicked. You are seeing photos and you are seeing videos. So you can search for photos and you can search for videos in this website. So let me say I want to write something about nature. I want to create a video around nature, and I want a background or a picture to explain what I'm saying. So what I'm going to do, let me refresh this page so that it will load from the beginning. And okay, we are here now. So here is the search. This bar here is the search bar. This is the search bar. So I will tap on this and my searches will pop up. So I will now type in nature. Then I will click OK to search. So you can see it. This is the nature I'm talking about. This is the stock images. You're seeing nature here. You're seeing nature. I'm coming. Let me go for the one that best explains what I'm looking for, the one I like. I'm still coming. Let me say this iStock. When you want to download image from iStock, it will be showing watermark. So I won't advise you to go to iStock to download images, but if you want to use iStock, it's okay. You can download from there, but watermark will be showing. You will have to purchase the premium before you can download. So let me look for a particular picture. So let me just say I want to download this picture now. Okay, this is how to search for nature. Then you just click on anyone and it would pop in. Then I'll click on that first one. See it. This is nature. Then you click on free download and you download, but I'm not going to download. I want to search for, let me say I want to search for wooden. I want to search for wooden background. Let me say wooden. No, let me say flower background. Yes, flower background. And I click OK. You've seen it. So this is the flower background I'm talking about. Then I would click on this. You're seeing beautiful flower backgrounds. So I'm looking for. Okay, I will go for this one. And the reason being because I want to bring in a picture to show you. I will use it on an InShot to show you something. So you click on this, and you would click on the free download to download it. So you click on the free download, and you can even edit it using Canva. I'm going to be showing you how you can edit these images you download from Pixels and how you can place it on using the InShot app. So keep viewing and seeing most of the pictures you're seeing it. So this is the downloaded Pixels image. You can see this high premium quality images on pixabay.com too and on fixi.com. So thank you for watching, and try and click on the other upcoming explainer video I'm going to be posting.